Oh, we're being invaded by piglets. Yep, neighbor's pigs got out again. Well, sometimes life happens, priorities change, and things take different directions. So this customer turned around, had a lot of things happen in life, and he's selling his hoard. Got about 5 or 6 bikes that he's selling, so the Odyssey's going away. The 310R that's stretched and inverted is going away. The other Odyssey is going away, which makes room for new projects. Got a bunch of new stuff that we've got in the shop. It's going to be getting worked on. This stuff's getting thrown into Connex until he comes and gets them. Said he's going to come get them a couple weeks ago. We'll see how long it takes. Like I said, life happens. You can start out on a project, everything's going smooth in life, have a heart attack. That'll definitely change your perspective. Family members get sick. That changes perspective. Never know what the future brings. Got Tony's trike, trying to get that thing street legal. It is already registered and tagged. Got my old OG 250R. That's the one that was at the first ever ATC Syndicate race. Didn't make it to the last Syndicate race because, well, they're still racing. Me and Rob might be out, but there's some guys still keeping the racing together in Florida. Now we have a trifecta of Cannondales that Tony got. Got a ton of boxes of parts. These things are going to be getting assembled, made run, and booted out the door. That 450 is getting finished up. That's got to go. And that's an 86 KX125 that we're going to be turning into a 3-wheeler. Yep. A little behind the scenes. Shifter cart. Smoked top end. The Nicosil took out the top end. I don't know how that Nicosil chipped, but it chipped, wiped out the top end. Hit that subscribe button. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. We got over 1,000 videos. Comments are always welcome. See you guys in the live streams on the Sawyer Custom Gaming channel.